I am Ketan Kumar as a subject teacher of English Grammar Standard 3rd. Last time we have learned topic 1 and that is common noun. Now, today we are going to learn the topic number 2 and it is called proper noun. So before doing anything, I would like to explain about proper noun. Proper noun means it's a noun. It's a specific name of a particular person, thing, animal, bird. Okay. It's a specific name of particular person, thing, bird, animal, or thing. Okay. A proper noun is the special name of a person, place, animal, or thing. I will write number 1. So, a proper noun is the special name of a person, place, animal, or thing. A proper noun is the special name of a person, place, animal, or thing. You know very well. Last time we have learned common noun. Okay. So each and every common noun has specific name. For example, dog. For example, dog. Dog is a common noun. Why? Because there is just name of animal, dog. But what is the specific name of that dog? I know that we all sometimes we have dog at home. Okay, and it is also called pet animal. Okay, so you know very well that serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Okay, there is one episode. Or there is an episode. Okay, in that episode, there is a dog. Okay, there is a dog. Can you tell me the name of that dog? You know that. What was the name of that dog? The name of that dog is Sheru. Sheru. So, Sheru. It is common noun because it is just name of animal. But it is the proper noun because I have given particular name of that dog. Okay. So what is the name of that dog? Sheru. So Sheru is the proper noun and it will be considered into animal. Okay. Now, whenever you write proper noun, we have to understand one important thing. Whenever you write common noun or if you learn proper noun, you must understand one thing and that is capital letter. Because each and every proper noun, either it is connected with the person, either it is connected with the place, either it is connected with the animal or either it is connected with the thing, it should be whatever you write as a proper noun. For example, I have Sheru. So you can observe here that I have underlined the S because it is capital. It is into the capital letter. Why capital letter? Because there is a particular name of dog. There is a particular name of dog. That is why I have written Sheru and the S should be into capital. If you want to name, for example, if you want to describe your school is the common noun. But you know that each and every school has different name. Each and every school has different name. For example, our school name, the Excellent English Medium School. The Excellent English Medium School. The Excellent English Medium School. We study in school. But if you want to tell about your school to other person, so you cannot say I study in this school. You have to clarify that in which school you are studying or in which school you study. For example, as you study in the Excellent English Medium School, so the Excellent English Medium, that is called proper noun. Okay. So first I talk about animal. That is I have done same. Second I talk about place. We know all the place, but each and every place has different name. For example, park. I am continuing with the place. Okay. For example, park. I know during vacation or during in a free time, you always visit to the park. But there are many parks. But you have to select in which part do you want to go. For example, I would like to give you name Golden Park. What? Golden Park. Or for example, if the authorized person name is Mr. Smith, so I would like to visit Mr. Smith's Park. Okay. So there are many parks. Okay, around your society, whenever. But if you want to visit particular park, that is why you have to tell the name of that particular park. Okay. So that is why I have written Mr. Smith's Park. I want to go in Mr. Smith's Park. Mr. Smith's Park. Okay. So I have given one example for animal. I have given two examples for place. Now third, person. If you enter in the school first time, and obviously you meet with other friends which you don't know, okay, whom you don't know. So they might ask question, how are you? You can say fine. Then you can say, what about you? I am fine. Okay. Then what is the next question? What is your name? What is your name? So can you tell me I am what? No. Because boy is a common noun or girl is also common noun, but you must say your name. So what is your name? Then you say my name is Ankit. My name is Ankit. So Ankit is a proper noun. Why? Because when you introduce yourself, first of all, you have to tell your name or you have to say your name. Hello, good morning, I am Ketan Parmar, or you can say I am Ankit. So Ankit is a proper noun. If you visit somewhere on the road, okay, and someone says, and you and your friends visit with somewhere else, for example, park or picnic, wherever, and somebody says, hey boys, or hey boy, then what will happen? What will happen then? You all will look there. Why? Because that person is not calling particular name. That person is not calling particular name, but he just says, hey boy. So boy is a common noun. That is why you all will look beside or behind. Okay. But if you are there in the group and your name is Sanket, okay, then he or she will say, oh Sanket. Then who will move back or who will look back? That particular boy whose name is Sanket. Okay, so that is why Sanket is also proper noun. So I have talked about person. Person is a common noun, but each and every person has proper noun. Now last thing is thing. So as we talk about person, place, animal, now last I would like to talk about theme. As I have mentioned here, pen and pencil both are common now, but these both are giving specific name. Pen is giving particular name and it is called cello. Okay, and the pencil is giving particular name and it is called Natraj. Okay, so this pen has given, this pen is given particular name that is called cello. Or this pencil is given particular name that is called Natraj. So Natraj and cello both are common noun. Pen and pencil are common noun. So I hope you understood this common noun. Okay, you can do more practice from the textbook. Okay. So first of all, I talk about person. Ankit, Sanket, Mahesh. Okay, these all are common noun because they all are boys, but they all are having specific name. Okay. Then place, park, city. Okay. City, for example, somebody asks question, where do you live? Where do you live? You may answer, I live in Korsal, I live in Anand, I live in Khambhat, I live in Nadiyad. So these are the proper noun. Okay. Animal, for example, dog, common noun, but that dog is having particular name, or that dog is given particular name, and it is called Sheru, Moti. Okay. Theme, as I talked last. Pen. This pen is given particular name that is called cello. This pencil is given particular name that is called Natraj. So I hope you understood. Now let's move towards the practice. So as I explained this topic proper noun. So with the base, on the basis of this proper noun, I have practice. I have exercise to do. So the instruction that I will read, pick the correct pairs and write below. So which pair would you like to, which pairs are there? Which pairs are there? So proper noun and common noun. Common noun and proper noun. Left side we are going to write common noun. Right side we are going to write proper noun. So there are two boxes, box A, box B. Okay, box A is full of common noun and box B is full of proper noun. First you have to select common noun, then compare with the proper noun. Understood what I am saying? Good. Or understand what I am saying? Okay. Now I have given an example already here. Girl. You know girl is a common noun. If there are 4 girls outside and you call a girl, then all four girls will look at you. But if you say particular name, Preeti, then Preeti will move back. Okay, or look back. So, girl, Preeti. Now, second. Month. So, can you find the name of particular name of month here? Yes. March. So month. The name of the month is March. As I said, each and every proper noun begins with which letter? Capital letter. Okay. Now third. Day. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. You know the name of days. So here there is a particular day is given already. So can you tell me which day is that? Okay. Tuesday. So day. Tuesday. Fourth one is festival. Which one is there? Festival. So there are lots of festivals, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Moharram, whatever. Okay. So there is a particular festival is given here. Festival. Eid. Eid festival is connected with the Muslim people. Okay. Or Eid festival is celebrated by Muslim people. So there are many countries, America, But if I say in which country do you live, you may answer I live in India, I live in Nepal, I live in wherever, etc. The answer is given here as per the common noun. That is called Nepal. Now, sixth one, city. Okay. Dog. Okay. So as I have given the example of dog. Okay, there are many dogs, but each and every dog has specific name. Okay. For example, do you know that Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, there is one episode. Okay, there is an episode. In that episode, there is one dog. There is a dog named Sheru. But here, there is a particular name, Moti. Now, city, 7 number. So, city, Anand city, Borsal city. Okay. So, these are the name of city. In which city do you live? You say Borsal, Anand, Umret, whatever. Okay. But here the answer is Nagpur. Which city is there? Nagpur city. Eighth number, planet. Okay. So, name of the different planets are Pluto, Uranus. Okay, but here there is a particular name, Saturn. Saturn. Okay. Now, language. Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali. These all called languages. Okay. So if I ask which language do you know? So if I display the options, you can select particular option that English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay. These are the different languages. Language is a common noun, but each and language is given a particular name as per the English, Marathi, Gujarati. So here the answer is English. Now last, river. Okay, Sabarmati, Godavari. Okay. So here there is a particular name is given to this river, and what is there? You can find here Godavari. So as I displayed this exercise over here, the same exercise is given in the textbook. So you can go through the textbook and learn it very well. So, girl, baby, month, March, day, Tuesday, festival, Eid, country, Nepal, dog, Moti, city, Nagpur, planet, Saturn, language, English, and river, Godavari. So I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you very much.